There is something so lovely about a river walk. Wildflowers line the path, and stones are waiting to be discovered. Trees bow low over the tiny road, a barrier from the city, a shaded haven from the busy of life. Birds seem to have nothing else to do but float and fly, calling this haven home simply by being there near to the sky. Too slowly, I follow the river, and I find its climax, and well, isn't that delight? It is in my children's eyes, to show them what God made and man merely built around. This is adventure and contentedness all at once.
No. Eva, mira. Mira el agua. Wow.
Genesis 1 verse 1 and 2. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. Can you imagine the Spirit of God moving on the face of the waters? Did it look like a river? Just imagine what it was like when God created all of this. It came alive, and still this babbling brook which grows steadily toward this waterfall, it lives. It whispers His name, and we get to enjoy it. As we walk back, clothes damp from a splash pad and back heating from the sun, I can't help but whisper back, "Thank you."